Hello everyone, Lord Mayor Sally Capp here, and it is my great pleasure to officially invite you to tour some of the city's most remarkable buildings, all from the comfort of your own home. Have you ever wanted to see inside the CityLink traffic control room or go down into the depths of the Melbourne Metro tunnel works? Well, now you can, thanks to Melbourne Open House 2020. 90 buildings, half of them of which are right here in the city of Melbourne, are available for you to tour from the comfort of your own home. You can explore the grand architecture of St Paul's Cathedral or enjoy the opulence of our very own Government House. So many buildings to be proud of here within Melbourne and Victoria, and you have the opportunity to view them in a way never seen before. Have a look at the weird and wonderful items in the City of Melbourne's own collection of heritage and art. Have a look at some of the most amazing buildings where you've stood on the outside, and this gives you the opportunity to delve inside, not just into the amazing architecture, but also into the incredible stories behind the buildings and the spaces. It is also a celebration of the traditional land of the Kulin Nation upon which Melbourne is built. It's magnificent heritage buildings that have sprouted over the last couple of centuries, and of course the head-turning contemporary architecture and design that makes Melbourne such a special place. More tours, more virtual tours online than any other site. It's brought to you by Melbourne Open House. I'm really proud of the amazing work that they've done to ensure that this celebration and festival can go ahead this weekend. Please make the most of it and enjoy, and thank you again to the Melbourne Open House team.